Okay, so I've taken out one of the wings, and isn't it gorgeous? Oh, I'm so thankful that she gave her life for my bookmark. Okay, so what I've done is I've measured equal space between either end. I decided to put the window in the center only because I really want to showcase this wing. It's the star of my bookmark. So I've made a square around, so that's what it's going to look like. Gotta be so careful with this. So delicate. Okay. Get over there, you. All right. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my metal ruler. There's actual lines on this self-healing mat, which is going to be helpful. I've already measured, but make sure this is tight before I get started. I have used this in the past, and then this is loose, and yeah, it was a disaster. Okay. So I'm hoping that my head is not in the way for this. I apologize if it is. Oh, I don't think so. Okay. I gotta see what I'm doing here. All right. Make sure I have the blade the right way. You know me, comedy of errors. Just gonna do that again, just to make sure. Yeah, I can feel the mat. Oh my gosh, is my head in the way? I'm so sorry, guys. All right, this cut will be a little bit easier because I can actually see. I don't have to be right on top of it. Okay, where does that end? That ends right there, right there. Pencil lines are hard to see at the best of times, and I just want to make sure that my window isn't going to be crooked. Just do it one more time, just to make sure. Yeah, all right. So far, so good. I can always erase the pencil marks. Trying to line up my line with the line on this self-healing mat here. Oh, I can see where I'm just going to be shy. Oops, sorry, with my head in the way. Okay. Boy, oh boy, I hope that's as straight. And if not, I can always make adjustments, right? You only want to cut once, though. That's the thing. You only want to do this one time. Okay, actually, I'm going to turn this around so that my head isn't in the way. I think I'm going to have to... over a little bit, damn it. All right, let's see what we have here. Okay, it didn't go all the way through, but now, you know what, I'm gonna, since I'm, oh, that came right out, that's good. All right, I'm gonna cut this out. Getting there, folks. Whoop. you kind of want a clean line, and I'll go back and just, you know, because of the X-Acto knife, it does cut differently than scissors. You know, there's a little bit of paper there, but I'll trim that up. That's not a big deal. Okay, so here's the window. I'm just going to clean this up a bit. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to trace the square around the back from the back part of my bookmark, and then I'll have a totally see-through window. Be right back.